So what's up guys, happy to have you here. Welcome to another amazing video where we're discovering another amazing JavaScript library. So today we're discovering Packery, which is an interesting JavaScript library. So what does Packery do? Gaplets, draggable grid layouts. So what is Packery? Packery is a JavaScript library and jQuery plugin that makes gaplets and draggable layouts. It uses a bin packing algorithm to fill in empty gaps. Packery layouts can be intelligently ordered or organically, while elements can be stamped in place, fit in a specific spot, or dragged around. It's perfect for draggable dashboards and seamless masonry image gallery. So that's what Packery does. It allows you to drag and drop elements across your website or your web app. And definitely, if you have used some admin dashboards, then you have sometimes some cards which you like to move around and get that functionality to the users to move around their cards from left to right. And even in WordPress too, you might have noticed that you can move the different elements on the dashboard from left to right. And so such a library allows you to do just that. So let's check out how it works. As you can see, they're inviting us to drag this to the left or to the right. You can basically drag it and it goes in different positions. As you can see, you can order elements, order items, and move them from left to right. So draggable dashboard, draggable masonry layout. As you see, it organizes the elements and you can see how it respects maybe the masonry ordering. Yes, as you can see, we can move it. Yes, and you can have a different organization pattern we can put. Yeah, it's very interesting. I feel like a puzzle game could be made out of this. Yes, so as you can see, we can order this in a different manner. So yeah, so definitely I can already see some use cases for this. You have dashboards, you maybe have a gallery of images, you can permit people to create a collage of images and so on and so forth. So yeah, definitely check it out at packery.metaphysi.co, and you can download the package unified version, or you can directly include it into your project. And the code to get this started is pretty straightforward. They equally offer commercial licenses if you want to use this on a commercial project, but you can get started quite easily on your personal projects and make use of them and see if they are useful to you. And so yeah, they equally have some examples of how people are using this. As you can see, websites with a lot of images make use of this. Yeah, so yeah, some examples. Maybe you can check out a couple of them. And they actually have some other plugins too as well. Yeah. So here is an example of a website that uses that library, which in a very creative way, I guess. And so you're going to scroll down to kind of find the images. I'm going to refresh. Okay, here we go. Well, I'm going to try to open another one. The website seems to be crashing. All right, here we go. Seems like they are not drag and drop. I'm wondering where the use